Galahad.
My code name.
Late again, sir.
Good luck.
In you go. Fall in. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Merlin. You are about to embark on what is probably the most dangerous job interview in the world. One of you, and only one of you, will become the next Lancelot. Can anybody tell me what this is? Yes.
Body bag, sir.
Correct. Charlie, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. In a moment, you will each collect a body bag. You will write your name on that bag. You will write the details of your next of kin on that bag. This represents your acknowledgement of the risks that you're about to face, as well as your agreement to strict confidentiality.